अम्बेडकर जी की फोटो मैंने यहाँ इसलिए लगाई है क्योंकि ऊपर लिखा है इलेक्टोरल रोल इज द मोस्ट फंडामेंटल थिंग इन अ डेमोक्रेसी. It was of the utmost importance that elections should be freed from any kind of interference. The election machinery should be outside the control of the executive government. Now, this is really the question here. First step, election commissioners were chosen by a committee which included the Chief Justice, Leader of Opposition, Prime Minister. That was changed by the government, by the Prime Minister. The Chief Justice was removed from that committee and a BJP person was added to that committee. Second step, immediately before the Lok Sabha election, election commissioner was removed. 2 new election commissioners were put in place. Tisra, what is very clear is that the list in Maharashtra has gone wrong. There's no doubt about that. A list which is bigger than the entire population. A list where the population of Himachal Pradesh is entering into Maharashtra. A list where all the additional voters are going in favor of the BJP. So something is wrong. This is actually a small piece of the puzzle. The big piece of the puzzle is voter deletion. We suspect the number of deleted voters is bigger than the number of added voters. Which means we are now heading towards the complete destruction of the constitution. And we are in the business of protecting the constitution. That is why I have put this here. अम्बेडकर जी की फोटो मैंने यहाँ इसलिए लगाई है क्योंकि ऊपर लिखा है इलेक्टोरल रोल इज द मोस्ट फंडामेंटल थिंग इन अ डेमोक्रेसी. इलेक्शन कमीशन उसकी रक्षा नहीं कर रही.